Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB text interior with a matte black ash wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler. CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Memory seats. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for the media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. Turn wheel for the infotainment center. The CLA has 21,593 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mercedes-Benz CLA 250, visit us at feldmanimports.com.